Did you know that the Toyota SW4 boasts a feature that's quite a head-turner? Its advanced safety systems are designed to respond effectively to most driving situations. The Toyota SW4, a vehicle that radiates charm and sophistication, while also being a powerhouse of performance. It's a car that effortlessly combines style, power, and safety into a package that's irresistible to both car enthusiasts and the everyday driver. But what truly sets the Toyota SW4 apart is its focus on safety. The SW4's advanced safety systems are nothing short of remarkable. They are the result of Toyota's commitment to creating a vehicle that not only looks and performs well, but also prioritizes the well-being of its passengers. The car's safety features are designed to respond effectively to a vast array of driving conditions, ensuring that the driver and passengers are as secure as possible, regardless of the situation. Imagine driving on a rainy day. The roads are slick and visibility is low. It's a situation that would make even the most experienced driver a tad apprehensive. But in the Toyota SW4, you can drive with confidence. The car's advanced safety systems are there to assist you, providing a sense of security and peace of mind. The SW4's safety features aren't just about responding effectively to challenging driving conditions. They're also about preventing potential problems before they occur. The car's clever design and cutting-edge technology work together to anticipate potential hazards, giving you more time to react and ensuring a safer journey. And this is what makes the Toyota SW4 so alluring. It's not just about the sleek lines, the powerful engine, or the luxurious interior. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're in a car designed with your safety as a priority. So when you're behind the wheel of a Toyota SW4, you're not just driving a car. You're experiencing a blend of style, power, and safety that's hard to find in today's crowded automotive market. The Toyota SW4 is a car that's not just about looks or power, it's about providing a safe and comfortable ride. The Toyota SW4's doors are not just entry points, they are a gateway to a world of comfort and convenience. Now let's delve into the specifics of these doors that speak volumes about the sophistication of this vehicle. Firstly, the design. The Toyota SW4's doors are crafted with a keen eye for detail, ensuring a harmonious blend of style and functionality. The subtle lines and contours on the surface not only add to the overall aesthetics of the car, but also enhance aerodynamic efficiency. The doors are not just about good looks, they're built to last. Constructed with high-strength materials, they're designed to withstand the test of time and the harsh realities of the road. The use of such materials also contributes to the vehicle's overall safety, providing a robust barrier between the occupants and the outside world. Now, let's talk about the door locks. The SW4 comes with an advanced keyless entry system. With a smart key in your pocket, you can lock or unlock the doors with a simple touch of the door handle. This feature, combined with an automatic lock function, adds an extra layer of convenience and security. Moving on to the inside of the doors, they're designed with the aim to maximize comfort. The armrests are positioned at just the right height, making long drives enjoyable. There are also ample storage compartments, perfect for stashing away small items. The doors also feature power windows with one-touch operation and an anti-jam protection system. So, with a single push or pull of the switch, you can let the fresh air in or keep the outside noise out. The anti-jam system ensures the safety of all passengers, especially the little ones, by stopping the window if it detects any object in its path. In addition, the doors of the SW4 are equipped with puddle lamps. These subtle lights illuminate the ground below the doors, adding a touch of elegance while also ensuring you don't step into a puddle or any other obstacle when you exit the vehicle. With these doors, the Toyota SW4 invites you to a realm of comfort and safety. And believe me, this is just the beginning. Buckle up as we continue our journey to explore the other features of this remarkable vehicle. The wheels of the Toyota SW4 are truly the pillars of its strength. The wheels of this vehicle are more than just a component. They are an embodiment of robustness and reliability, a testament to the meticulous design and engineering that Toyota is renowned for. Let's delve into the specifics. The size of these wheels is impressive, striking a balance between stature and stability. They are large enough to command a presence, yet designed in a way that ensures steadiness and control. The type of wheels used are alloy, known for their strength and lightweight properties, contributing to the overall performance of the car. The design, too, is noteworthy, combining aesthetics and functionality. But what sets these wheels apart is their durability. They are built to last, capable of withstanding the harshest of conditions and the most challenging of terrains. The wheels of the Toyota SW4 are designed for optimum performance, offering a smooth ride on any terrain. The exhaust system of the Toyota SW4 is a testament to its power and performance. Now let's delve into the world of exhaust systems and explore how this essential component contributes to the overall performance of the SW4. What makes the exhaust system of the SW4 stand out is its remarkable design. It's not just a simple pipe that expels gases. No, it's a meticulously structured system, engineered for efficiency. Each section, from the exhaust manifold to the tailpipe, serves a distinct purpose, all working in harmony to enhance the SW4's performance. The system begins with the exhaust manifold. This component collects the exhaust gases from the engine's cylinders, effectively initiating the exhaust process. The manifold's design ensures that the gases flow smoothly and quickly, contributing to the engine's responsiveness. Next, we have the catalytic converter. The SW4's catalytic converter plays a significant role in reducing harmful emissions. It transforms these gases into less harmful substances before they are released into the environment, making the SW4 not just powerful, but also environmentally conscious. Then we come to the muffler. While it's often associated with the sound of the car, the muffler's primary function is to direct the flow of exhaust gases safely and effectively out of the vehicle. The SW4's muffler is designed to do this while also optimizing the car's power output and fuel efficiency. Lastly, the tailpipe. This is where the exhaust gases make their exit, but it's more than just an exit point. The design of the tailpipe can influence the car's back pressure, which in turn can affect engine performance. The SW4's tailpipe is designed to maintain optimal back pressure, aiding in the overall power and performance of the vehicle. So, you see, the exhaust system isn't just about expelling gases. It plays a pivotal role in the power and performance of the Toyota SW4. It's a testament to Toyota's commitment to efficiency, power, and environmental responsibility. The exhaust system of the Toyota SW4 perfectly complements its power-packed performance. The picture box in the Toyota SW4 is your gateway to entertainment and information on the go. This isn't just a screen, it's a window into a world of possibilities. With a user-friendly interface, it offers you access to your favorite music, podcasts, and navigation tools all at the touch of a button. Imagine cruising down the highway, the hum of the SW4's powerful engine in the background, while you listen to your favorite tunes or catch up on the latest podcast episode. The picture box makes it all possible. And it's not just about entertainment, it's about staying informed too. With real-time updates on weather conditions, traffic, and more, you're always in the know. From the morning commute to the weekend road trip, the picture box ensures you have a wealth of entertainment and information options at your fingertips. With the picture box, the Toyota SW4 ensures you are entertained and informed throughout your journey. The Toyota SW4 is available in a range of colors to suit your style. This car isn't just about performance and functionality, it's about expression. It's about making a statement on the road, and what better way to do that than by choosing a color that resonates with your personality? Let's dive into the vibrant world of the Toyota SW4's color palette. Each shade has been thoughtfully selected to enhance the car's sleek design and robust features. It's not just about the color, it's about the feeling it evokes, and how it complements the contours and lines of this exceptional vehicle. First off, we have the classic and ever-popular Attitude Black. This color is for those who appreciate the timeless appeal of sophistication and elegance. It's bold, it's powerful, and it makes a statement of refined taste. Then we have the Silver Metallic, a color that exudes a sleek, modern vibe. This shade is perfect for those who want to convey a sense of innovation and progressiveness. It's the color of the future, and it's here for you today. For those who like a bit of drama and excitement, Crimson Spark Red is your color. It's bright, it's bold, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. This color is for the adventurous at heart, for those who aren't afraid to stand out and make a statement. Next up, we have White Pearl. This color is for those who value purity and simplicity. It's a color that speaks of class and understated elegance. It's the color that says you appreciate the finer things in life without the need to shout about it. And last but not least, we have the Graphite Gray. This color is for those who appreciate subtlety and finesse. It's a color that's understated yet impactful, quiet yet powerful. It's the color of quiet confidence. The Toyota SW4, with its array of color options, allows you to express your style in the best possible way. So, which color resonates with your personality? The choice is yours to make, and it's a choice that tells a story about who you are. The Toyota SW4, with its advanced features and stylish design, is truly a car for the modern driver. This sleek vehicle offers more than just a ride. It's a statement of style and power. The doors of the SW4 aren't just entry points, they are gateways to a world of comfort and sophistication. The robust wheels provide steady handling and a smooth drive, regardless of the terrain. They are the sturdy pillars of this magnificent vehicle. The exhaust system is a testament to Toyota's commitment to power and performance. It ensures an efficient and responsive drive every time. The picture box offers a world of entertainment at your fingertips, enhancing every journey with its dynamic features. The color palette of the SW4 is vast, offering choices for every taste, from subtle hues to vibrant tones. In the Toyota SW4, you find a perfect blend of style, comfort, performance, and safety.